so welcome back. I did a thing and this is it. So we are going to do the unboxing together. I know this machine's been out for a little while, but it's a brand new machine and I get to unbox it and experience it, so I decided to share it. This is the Silhouette Cameo 4. It's brand new in the box. I got a really good deal on it and I was really excited. So let's open it. It's a good size. It was larger than I expected. So you open it up, it has some pictures and descriptions here, so find the perfect design in no time. The Cameo 4 includes a 1-month subscription for free to the Silhouette Design Store, the official marketplace for professionally crafted cut files, fonts, patterns. It just gives you some information there. So open it up, and then for software download, user guide, and free content subscription visit, and then it tells you to visit www.silhouetteamerica.com/setup. And then it tells you what it comes with: the blade adapter, the deep cut blade adapter, the 2mm craft blade adapter, and then the pen adapter. So first we have our auto blade and some of the other attachments that you'll need, and then the cord to connect. That's how to register right here. And then we have just a blade. We got 2 cutting blades with this one. Then we have our power cord, of course. I'll start putting this stuff down here like this. Then it comes with a Silhouette scraper. This is a pick-me-up pen. Comes with a hook for weeding, and then a little spatula for picking things up, I'm sure. This is a cutting mat, two 12x12 cutting mats. It's a standard, so. And then of course it comes with some vinyl and some transfer paper so you can kind of practice. So just some instructions about the vinyl. Instructions where to go to set up your machine. It's Oracle 651. And then it also comes with some pens, which is pretty cool. So it gives you some stuff to start so you can kind of play with it. I think that's everything, so let's see if I can get this out of the box by myself. Maybe if I kind of lift underneath here. I'm kind of short, so. Okay, it's a lot lighter than with everything in there. And then we have a little card too for 10 exclusive designs. And we will take the styrofoam off, set in the box, styrofoam off this end, put it in the box. Okay, so I'm actually going to turn the machine this way so y'all can see. So it's about the size. I'm about 5 foot, so obviously it's satisfying taking off wrapping. Wow, it's really pretty. It's a really pretty machine. It's very sleek looking. So there's some tape back here I'm gonna remove that's holding the cutting. So we're just gonna get all the tape off. Okay, and then obviously there's tape here. So we'll just pull this down. This baby is brand spanking new. Right. And then there's some extra like coverings here so it doesn't get scratched, I'm sure. I always love pulling these off. And 2. And then there's another one right here. They have nice little tabs on it, so it's cool. You don't have to try and find it. Oh. Ooh. She is pretty. That's all the tape that I can see. Oh, there's more in the front there. Okay, so I think it opens this way. Ooh, and it just kind of slides in. So you just lift it. That was kind of different. You lift it and then slide it back. And it slides out to the rear back here, which is pretty neat. So then we have more tape here. So we just want to get all this tape off so when we go to use our machine, there's no problems. Let's see if I can get this. The tape was long. And then there's another piece of tape in here. Oh, and there's some styrofoam. I didn't even see that. So this just kind of keeps that housing, I think, in place. Hopefully I'm out of the way enough. So there's more tape back here that I'm just gonna take this out, and then there's a little piece of cardboard in here. I don't know if it's gonna come out or not. So apparently you can move these when the machine is off, just don't do it while it's on. So there's 2 pieces of tape on these, those off. And then there's another one here on the side that also has a piece of cardboard. Let's see if we can get this out or how we're supposed to. Okay, let's yank that one out. But now there's a piece here, and I think it's stopping it from moving. Oh, there's also a piece of foam in there, so make sure to get that. So just kind of slide it over a little bit, and then you can pop this piece out. That looks like all the tape that I can see anyway. That's in here. These are some of the things that came with. Cool. Okay, so you just go to silhouetteamerica.com/setup, and then you start setting it up and following the instructions. It has you put in your serial number, which is on the back of the machine. There's a little sticker, and then you're just gonna follow the steps, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not gonna record all of that because it's some information, but it walks you through exactly what everything is, and then it tells you exactly where it's left tape. So these are all the places we took off tape. And so it tells you tape and foam to remove, and then it tells you to connect your silhouette and then continue on. So I'm going to do all these steps and set it up and then come back. So you take your power cord out and take off all the twisty ties. So it's actually going to plug in right here. Yeah. I forgot our hole was that big. And I'm gonna plug this in right there. I'm going to plug it in. Your machine's supposed to be like this. So you plug it in, and then it wants you to lift it open, and then you just power it on. Wow, that's a cool experience. So then it's like all lit up. So let me show here. And it lit up, and it slid the cartridge all the way to the end. Okay, and then we're going to skip to the next step. Okay, so in order to be connected to Bluetooth, you need to plug it into your device and the Cameo. So I'm going to plug this in to my MacBook. So it wants me to plug this in here. Boom. And plug it into my adapter here. So once it's plugged in here, I want you to hit send here, and then down here. So it's obviously there, but it says I need to update my firmware. So now it's updating my firmware, telling me not to switch it off. And I have no idea what it's doing. It's powering back on, I guess, and that makes sense because we just updated it, and it should come back on here. Yep, and it says ready. So that's the step that I wanted. I downloaded Silhouette Studio, the basic version that comes free, and then I just plugged in my device, and then I'm going here to send, which is going to take us here, and then we're going to go make sure it's here. That's what it wants. Okay, then it took me a second to get it Bluetooth because obviously I don't want to have to plug it in every single time because that's annoying. So you just press this Bluetooth button here, and then down here it gives you 2 options to either plug it in, which is that symbol for, USB, or then it's the Bluetooth symbol. So just make sure you're connected to Bluetooth, and then it says ready to load, and I'm not plugged into anything, so